Good morning to Dr. Radin and all my friends. Today we are from Industrial Design Group 6. We will present our product design that includes the concept generations and selection, prototype development, and also the business strategies. So my partners are Meeting, Surya and Sri. So my name is Tan Kai Chiu. Firstly, I will invite Surya to explain about the concept generation. So Surya, please.
Thank you, Tankaichu. So in the initial concept generation, we used brainstorming technique to solve the problems we collected to customer complaints. We gathered ideas from all the group members by sketching 10 initial concepts of cutter blade with various design. So first of all, I would like to know about the ideas gathered to sketch the concept A and B from Tan Meeting.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Tamating. The design of Sketcher A is formed by combining the concept of a pen and the existing plans bracket on the market. And for Sketcher B, the inspiration comes from the combination of a portable isolated colors and an existing plans. Thank you.
Thank you, Tan Meeting. After that, I want Tan Kai Chu to explain about the idea generation for concept C, D, and E. You may proceed.
Yeah, thank you, Surya. So the idea of for me that when I see the like items of a toolbox like securing clip and also the wrench, so I combine the part of this item with our products. While the concept E is come from when I saw the hay clip, so I combine the hay clip part in this idea design. So that's all for me.
Thank you. Let me explain about the idea generation for concept F and I. For the concept F, the idea is to insert button and minor mechanism in the part of blade breaker, so users no need to use force for break the blade. And the long blade sawing segment has been attached in the body of the blade breaker. And next, for the concept I, the thinner design has been used, so it can be more portable and users can bring their cutter blade wherever they want. User can steadily hold the blade as both end and thumb grip has been designed in the sketching. That's all for me. And next, I would like to ask Vaishnavi to explain about the idea generation for concept G, H, and J.
Okay, for the design age, I get the idea to use the graphic blade and blade breaker so it can multitasking blade. Okay, for the design eye, when I saw it's hard to hold the blade, so I create like a round shape. So the last design J is I get this idea like it consists of different elements. Yeah?
Yeah, so thank you to Surya and Sri. So next, I want to invite Mei-Ting to discuss the process and three industrial design selections.
We adopt the concept selection process to screen three industrial design sketches. The product concept selection is a decision process. First, we use stationary plans on the market as an example. Then we prepare the metric based on the customer needs. Draw the selection criteria based on customer need, mark plus, SAMs, minus, net, rent, and continuous. Plus mean better than reference concept, SAM mean equal to reference concept, and minus mean worse than the reference concept. The schedule are ranked according to the score. Then finally, we concluded that the schedule of A, F, and G will continue to be future modified. So we use the sketcher of A, F, and G as the main and combine some features of the sketcher of I, D, and J for modification. For sketcher A, the prevalence pen shape and Prince Sturgeon's design are retained, combined with the Prince repayment part of Sketcher D and the manual slide and extra clip of Sketcher I. For Sketcher B, the previous script design and overall shape are retained, combined with the Prince repayment part of Sketcher D, Prince breakdown of Sketcher I, Prince storages and manual slider of Sketcher J, and for Sketcher C, the previous overall shape and the bottom handle of breaking the prints are retained, combined with the Respamous part Sketcher D and redesign it, and the manual slide and extra kit of Sketcher I and the passion design of the first breakdown of Sketcher J. Thank you.
So thank you to the meeting. To understand the process of final design selections, I would like to invite Sri to explain it. So Sri, please.
Okay, the concept to select the one final design selection by anthropometry data, user interface, and also personas. So first of all, anthropometry, we use this data to do the dimension of stationary blade. So first dimension of the stationary blade are 14.83 cm. Radius of stationary blade body is 5.0 cm. Length of manual slider is 3.0 cm and the length of blade breaker are 6.89 cm. So the next one is the user interface. For the design A, the shape of the handle effort, non-slip and anchorage comfortable, breaker part effort suitable hole and anchorage flash protection, and also the blade refill part effort flexibility and anchorage convenience. So next is the design F, the wall of stationary blade design map, interesting because with different elements. So last one is the design G, which is the hand holder design map, uncomfortable to hold because without any grip. The wall stationary blade design map convenient because with many elements. So the last process is the personas. There are some personas that help to select the final design. So the good persona one is a Miss Shruti, who is 20 years old and an architecture student. She is looking for a rigid hole and non-slippery and speed blades to complete her work. So therefore, the concept design A are suitable for Miss Shruti. For the good persona two are Amar Yasir, who is 25 years old and is an office worker looking for a blade that breaks the blade safely and easily for reuse after it's blunt. So therefore, the concept design A are suitable to A. This is the concept training we use to choose the concept A. That's all from me.
So thank you to Sri. Surya, what do you think of the prototype? Can you explain it?
Yes. So this prototype of cutter blade has been designed mainly for our targeted users. So our targeted users are students and office employees who are aged between 14 to 45 years old. In this prototype, longer and larger radius has been applied to the blade breaker, so user can avoid injuries while snapping of the blade. Okay, the body of this prototype has been made with microceramic, which possessed high hardness, compressive strength, wear resistance, and chemical inertness. While the blade is made up of special alloy steel, which can increase corrosion resistance and stability at high or low temperatures. This prototype is designed in cylindrical shape, so it can be used in different spaces and user can easily hold the cutter blade. At last, user can easily adjust the blade with textured manual slider using their thumb with also extra grip that we design in this prototype. That's all. Thank you, KQ.
So thank you to all. This is so interesting. So let's watch a video about our prototyping.
Type designs. This From the video, we can see where the user are trying to use our group's prototype designs. This stationary blade design is divided to three main components, which is body part or handle, blade holder, and also the breaker part. On the handle side, there is a grip that works to prevent non-slip effect and allows for comfortable holder. So the user also can use the breaker part to break the blade easily.
So any ideas for mating or three for our business strategies?
For our business strategy, first is customer reviews. One of the business strategy we would like to promote our newly designed cutter brands is to let target customer promote it for us. For example, we will take advantage of some of the promotional ideas such as offering an upgrade and or free trials and ask them to write an online reviews of the provide material of for a testimonial. And second is product differentiations. This is a marketing strategy designed to distinguish a company product or service from the competitions. In the matter of our product differentiations in terms of design and features go hand in hand with developing a strong value propositions. This also helps our product to be more attractive to our target audience.
Okay, for the pricing strategy, when it comes to pricing, we keep the prices of our cutter blade low to attract more customers. To keep the price low, we will sell a much higher value of our product as the profit margins are usually very low, and thus it attracts customer imagination of buying cheaper cutter blade with exclusive feature into reality. The first one is innovation. In order to use innovation as our business strategy, we have defined it in a system of a material use and design of the cutter blade. The prototype itself is distinguishing by creating the most cutting-edge features such as modified blade breaker, blade design, and lot more. That's all from me.
So thank you to all. In the conclusion, we are learning how the industrial designs for a product development, and we also apply all of this in our assignments. So that's all from us about the concept generation presentations. Thank you for the attention, Doctor.